Hi, let me show you how you can insert SIM card to your POCO F7. So before you start, you have to get two items. So first, this is the SIM eject tool, which comes inside the POCO F7 box. And second thing, of course, it's nano SIM card. So now, take your POCO F7 and on the bottom is SIM card slot. It's over here. Now take your eject tool and just put it inside this hole. So do it like that, and now it should be click, and it's easy to take off. Let me quickly show you. Oh, do it like that, and do it very carefully because it's very easy to broke. So now this is the dual SIM. So let's place one SIM to the SIM1 slot. So do it like that. Here is the cut for the SIM card, and on the SIM card also it's cut over here. So you have to place your SIM card like that. So you have to like slide it like this. Okay, and now SIM card is placed. And now take your SIM card slot and place it inside the POCO F7 like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe this channel and see you in the next videos.